Welcome back to Small Lathe. This time we're actually milling, not turning, but some time ago I made these small candy molds and they do function. They function quite well, but they're not perfect. There are two reasons for that. One, I was aiming for a certain size and I didn't get there. I was close, but not close enough. Second of all, the slot that was milled here is too big, and I like smaller 3mm wide slots, not 4mm wide slots, but that's what I had at the time, of course. Another reason is that the walls here are at 90 degrees, which makes releasing the candy quite a bit of a challenge. And I did order some chamfered mills, but they didn't arrive yet, so we're trying our best to try and experiment. This time we'll be using a 4mm flute end mill, 4-bladed end mill at 600 RPM to cut away another section of this bar, which happens to be this area over here. And I'm not really cutting deep, so these cavities shouldn't actually meet. I can also try on the other side where they can't meet by definition. I'll start by using the other side and then we'll see what I can do about it. Okay, since all the measurements are non-critical, I don't care the distance from the side and so on, I'm not going to measure it. What I'm going to measure is the absolute size of the candy, and it's going to be 10mm wide, it's going to be 30mm long, and that's about it. What I'll have to do, because I have vibrations here, is I'll have to lock the carriage and do all the Y-axis movement and then clear out the Z-axis movement. Okay? This can be done like that, locking underneath. And if you think that's easy, well, it's not. Suddenly we'll have a lot less movement.